Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the unboxing surfers. Today we are going to unbox a Agarbati glass stand. This one. So be careful with the scissors before you start. See, you have to hold this carefully because it's little delicate. See, you have to remove carefully. So this is the actual look of the glass stand, and there's 5 marbles fixed on this and a glass crushed and inserted inside this, and there are two holes for in these 2 holes you can insert 2 agarbati at once and you can burn it. So let's try this. I'm putting one here and one in the second hole. One more in the first hole. And see, this is the actual look, and when the ash falls, it does not fall in the ground, and the ash falls here on this flat, this one, and you can even keep this in your god house. You can even play with this like this. So let's burn it. So I'm going to light this. I'm not lighting 4 because it's a waste, so only for trial now. So I'm lighting only 1. So let's keep it here, and please, for warning for children, you should not try this at home. So it's burning. Let's keep it and come afterward.